Hi there and welcome. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to manage and customize TV schedules inside the SofaScore app on your Android device. Whether you're looking to follow your favorite sports channels or add a specific country's listings like Spain, this guide will make it easy and clear. First, open the SofaScore app on your Android device. Tap on the TV Schedules tab in the bottom. This is where you'll find all your current TV listings. To add or change the country for TV listings, tap on the TV icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Next, click on the three dots also at the top right corner and select Remove All to clear existing country selections. Now, tap List Country. Scroll or search for the country you want, like Spain, and select it. Again, click on the three dots and choose Select All if you want to include all channels. Or, if you prefer, pick only the popular channels manually. Once selected, the channels from Spain will now appear in your TV Schedules section, ready for you to browse and follow matches or broadcasts.